Hi, in front of me is SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. Firstly, open calendar. Now choose allow and tap on get started. Then pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Over here you can customize your event however you wish to. You can add a title, change color, choose location, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature completely by clicking on all day event. Over here you can also set up a reminder, click OK, and some other things like, for example, adding description. When you're done, click save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always delete it though by holding it, clicking on delete event, and confirming your choice by clicking on delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!